which is inside the steel box. The steel is kada ide, then lower untundi anamata ఇది. It's not at the top. So made by ES Press is anamata. This microchip has integrated Wi-Fi and low power consumption. It is a processor RISC Tensila 103 32-bit with a maximum clock frequency of 160 megahertz. Okay, so it looks very small but is very powerful, because 160 megahertz is not simple, it's very high speed in terms of the this particular device. So 160 megahertz is very good because you are going to receive the lot of data, so we want a little more faster, so 160 megahertz is okay. But somebody asking what is the processor of a Tensila means, sorry, Node MCU means, we should know that it is a Tensila L106. It is a 32-bit processor. Okay. Then whenever you want to program, the most important thing is we should have the pin diagram of that particular microcontroller. So here is the pin diagram of the board. It's not microcontroller. In this pin diagram, you can see some colors. So what all red colors are available, we'll call it as a power related pins. So what kind of powers are available? Wherever 3V3 is written, it is a 3.3 volts. Wherever ground is at the ground. So how many ground and 3.3 means 3 different pins are available. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one. Whereas here Vin is given now. Whenever from the battery you give supply here, you can give this is a Vin. Basically you will get 5 volts. When you want to give a 5 volts, you are supposed to give here, and this regulator will convert 5 volts to 3.3. That 3.3 will be distributed to this IC, this IC. There are so many ICs which will work at 3.3. So Vin will be useful whenever you give a battery. Okay. Then comes second one, IO. It is given a blue color. Blue color everywhere it is written as GPIO, general purpose input and output. Wherever you need some kind of a digital sensors. So in the sensors also there are two categories, analog sensors and digital sensors. The digital sensors, we try to connect all these sensors to the whatever blue color it is written, GPIO. In this GPIO some numbers are also written. Those numbers are important in the programming point of view. So right now, I'm not going to consider what this number, but example, there is a GPIO 6, GPIO 7, GPIO 11. So like that, there are so many are available. Just try to remember that. So this board has, if you see directly, it is very difficult to see in this board. It's a very smaller one, no? You cannot identify what is what. So better you have a printout of it and you can understand. You can count and you can follow as per the sheet. So this is like again ESP12E